my new Gopro, so let's go see what we can find and get into. This is my screened-in latticed deck that my husband and son worked on. This is my swinging chair, my buddy swinging chair, flowers. And this is our porch. Let's go see what Buddy's doing, shall we? Tomato plants. Tomato plants. Vegetables. There he is. Working on the chicken lot. Gonna have some chickens. Gonna have some goats. That's what all them posts were for, the goats pasture. Don't understand it, but okay. I'm confused. Is that some of that electric fence and wire? You still gonna have enough to run the fence? What you laughing about? Oh, it's so damn funny.
That's the rope.
See, this is gonna flip over.
What?
Flip over. What the hell you got in your mouth? Hey, what happened to my damn camera? I got to fix that. I'm so lost. Here's the inside. I still gotta build a door. The inside. That's where they're gonna go in and out. And this is gonna be the side for the goats. And then he's gonna have all my little pasture. There's some more fence posts. That didn't sound right.
My voice is dry yet.
Who's being funny? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, if I had Wi-Fi out here, if they stop losing connection, I'd do it.
Oh, sorry. patio looks pathetic right now. There's another tomato plant. Bell peppers. Jalapenos. Banana peppers. Another tomato plant. Another pepper plant. As you see, I got some spearmint and onion seeds planted. More onion seeds planted. Cucumbers and squash, which will be transplanted into the ground, the cucumbers and squash. These 4 tomato plants right here just look awful. I know this is kind of a weird vlog, but at least I'm making one. Testing out this new camera. It's not actually a Gopro, but it is a waterproof action camera. It has a waterproof casing. And that is my Confederate rose. Angel trumpet. I do have flowers planted there amongst the weeds. Orange rose bush. Fixing to have some pretty roses on it again. My irises is done. This is a climbing rose bush. More irises. Pathetic looking plants. Tomato plant. I think that might be a tomato plant or a pepper plant on. Tomato plant, tomato plant. Gladiola, elephant ears, gladiola, pepper plant. This tree needs to go somewhere. Gladiola, bunch of different old plants. That tree needs to go bye-bye. More plants. I know, it totally needs weeding. Wow. What a crazy rose bush. Another rose bush. Flowers. I had some planted right in there, but they didn't do too good. And I'm sorry, bird. I had some planted around that, but I guess they're not gonna come back. That's the rose bush cross. In my building, we're gonna plant flowers around the porch. Put a rose bush there. One right here at this corner. And I keep stepping in damn ant hills. Go away. But gotta work on my hummingbird feeder there. Get it ready for the hummingbirds. And I got one there. And I got another one somewhere. But thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I know it was short. I know it was simple. But at least it's something to go on TAB Vlogs. Today is Sunday. I'm going to be going to Tennessee tomorrow to pick up my daughter-in-law and grandbaby and bring them back home. As always, remember, you are in control of your own destiny. You have to live with the decisions you make. So choose your decisions wisely, because sometimes they do affect others. Live happily, prosperous, stay true to yourself, stay positive, keep safe in these trying times, and God bless, and we will see you again soon.